Hello everyone, welcome to my game development channel Gal Gadot. Not Gal Gadot, Gal Gadot. In this channel, we will learn how to make a game together, because I am a newbie about making games. We will learn and use Godot engine for making games. So, what is Godot? Godot is completely free and open source general game engine. When you release a game with Godot, you don't have to pay money or commission to Godot. Also, it is general. You can make any kind of game with it. It supports Android, iOS, HTML5, macOS, Windows, and Linux officially. If you want to make game for consoles, you can find third-party supports. If you are interested about game development and Godot, you can subscribe to join my adventure of learning game development. See you next time.